What's that day? What's that na?
It's dinosaurs.
Huh?
It's like a mama dinosaur. Dinosaurs. But the mama, the dinosaur's mama because it's angry. Then the fossil has no wings.
What? So
No wings.
is that a bone?
Yes, he's the bone.
What part of the body?
Nikana, dead siya.
Hindi siya? Unsa man ang egg?
It's for the dinosaurs. It cracks.
It cracks.
Oh no, it got to crack! Ah! Oh, dinosaur fossil. Let's take it to the museum.
Ah, sita daw siya. Yung mga ate ang naka-find oh, naway mga ate. Siya ang nag-find oh. Siya ang nag-find, mga ate. Yung mga ate, pag thank you sa mga ate na-find yung egg. Ang sa'yo mga nag-hole ni ate.
Dino fossil and
Pag thank you ni ate. Pag thank you ni ate.
thank you, ate.
Finding dead egg. Ate is
Finding the egg.
a scientist.
Look, there's another egg.
Oh, where's the egg?
Triceratops.
Huh? What's
Gamay na uy.
what's that egg?
It's for the Triceratops.
Triceratops? Oh, there's another fossil. Oh,
A snail.
huh?
Snail and the
Snail?
shell. Snail nakita na ko.
Kita na mo ng shell?
Huh?
Snail? Ayun na.
Si snail.
Wash mong egg ko.
Huh?
Wash ang egg. Ano?
It sings. It sings in there. We could try Triceratops. Let's wash it the bone too. See? I wash it. Then we crack again.
It's an egg hunt. Let's go find some eggs.
What? Cut.
Slowly.
Look, Sophia, I found a dino egg. Look.
Sophia. Sophia is a mermaid. Help Sophia. Help Sophia. Sophia is a mermaid. Help Sophia. Oh, help me Sophia, boy. You're strong. Spider-Man is so strong.